nigga Fresh gonna sit up in this bitch tell me he worried about BMI. He ain't worried about BMI. Oh, wait till Meech hear that shit. Shut right the fuck there. Up and play that new Fresh before I send your ass to heaven. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Drop. Hurry up and put him to the top. Fresh does it at the motherfucking top, nigga. We going platinum around this bitch.
Trap-A-Holics mixtapes.
Ounce of Naptown. Fuck wrong with you, bitch. Niggas out here smoking mid. Get that shit up out of here, bitch. We only pushing dope around here and publishing checks. You fuck niggas. It's a part of the movie right here. Yeah, with the camera fade out. Yep. Platinum chains and dirty Sprite and a clean ass hustle come out of nowhere. Why? Because Fresh does it. Stupid ass bitch. Holics, bitch. Fresh does it, bitch. Your grandma house, bitch. Play the new song, bitch. Heard this, that new made it out the motherfucking bando music. Pull back up to the bando, get you some chicken wings, make it back out, nigga. You know how we doing this shit. Fresh know how we doing it.
My niggas stick together like the Jonas Brothers. If a nigga get into some shit and talk it off that brother. Why my niggas stick together like the Jonas Brothers.
DJ Tadoe Montana exclusive.
Yes sir, hit nigga of the year, goddamn DJ Problem Child. Fuck with your boy.
I got 99 problems, but this money ain't one.
DJ Tadoe Montana exclusive.
This one for all the players and playettes, you know, keep playing.
Hey man, this is another
Damn.
Broke the internet.
I tell you what.
Put that nigga ass in the dirt.
I tell you what.
Pretty boy Tank, nigga, hood rich, nigga, this that hood rich shit. Fuck, nigga. Tadoe Montana.
It's a nigga Twan, aka Mr.
Problem
Dude.
Child up.
DJ Pretty Boy,
She
gon' bend it.
turn that shit up, nigga.
Pop it for a bankroll. All up, I lay low. It was not her bae, no. Pussy sweet like Fago. I go deep like Play-Doh. She get wet off and she know for crazy.
DJ Tadoe Montana, you bastard.
I reload. Did a friend now, we bold. She don't speak, but she told. I'm the reason that she cold.
You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers.
Hey man, this is another DJ Tadoe Montana exclusive.
Throw that ass, I throw these racks. She bend it low, I arch her back. She got a man, I don't react. I tip her better. He just cap, she
Platinum
It's
makers.
holiday season, bitch.
Platinum playmakers, that is.
Bring it to me when you figure it out. Go get the
We
money,
get to the
bring
money,
it to me
baby.
when you figure it
Y'all niggas come out
out.
and
Go
pay the
get
two
the
from some
money,
real
bring it to
niggas.
me when you figure
This
it
one gonna be for a
out.
record books right here.
Hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey yo, what's up? It's the one and only Mr. Thanksgiving DJ Drama. Yo, I want to salute to my guy Fresh. I want to say I'm proud of you, man. Keep grinding. You know, your music as an artist, as a producer. You know what I'm saying? You know, some of the greats that have come before you, they went on to make classic albums. I believe you could probably do the same thing as long as you stick to your gut. You know what I mean? You stay creative, you stay consistent, man.
Scale it up, run it up, invest it, nigga. Scale it up, run it up, invest it, nigga. Scale it up, run it up, invest it, nigga. Scale it up, run it up, invest it, nigga.
Trap-A-Holics mixtapes.
Fresh is super easy. I piss these locals off. I piss your brother off. I piss your uncle off. Piss on the upgrade since these niggas tryna talk. Put the Draco in your face.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah, y'all niggas ever seen a platinum plaque in a motherfucking trap house? Yeah.
Go
Me
crazy.
neither, nigga, till today.
It's a nigga 6 and that nigga
Fresh
Fresh does it, man.
does it.
I'ma say it like this.
Really went from post to roll
This rap shit really
to
golf.
posting plaques.
This rap shit really golf. Catch 18, you piss me off. She smoke when I exhaust. It's Zaba when I cough. She bust that pussy open, love to fuck the track song. Call me Mr. Get It Gone, or Mr. Get Ya, or Mr. Get Ya, or Mr. Off the Zone, or Mr. Off the Walk, or Mr. on the phone. Hold on, this a call from the jail, we get it on. This girl crazy, asking for Chanel, where she on? Ain't never break a nail, ain't never write a song. Got battles that be with me, and they get what they want. They put in work with me, hoes switch up your approach. Rap shit super easy, I piss these locals off. I piss your brother off, I piss your uncle off. Piss on the upgrade, since these niggas tryna talk. Put the Draco in your face, it's stolen, it's not bought. Big dog shit, that shit you flexin' don't even bark. Yo, man, hoe dropped you for me, I think that hoe is smart, but I don't want that thought.
That shit, that wait, I'm let's get it. I'll be thumbing through his chick. I keep thumbing through his chick. This that shit that kill us quick. I'll be thumbing through his chick. I'll be thumbing through his chick. Thumbing through his chick. That shit that kill us quick. Thumbing through it, don't pursue it. Money is not everything. Everybody wanna be a star. Flash it diamond, you don't brag, you don't shine. That should be obvious. God bless it, ain't no stressing. Pocket, bottle, being broke, that's a sore. So I'm saying that I'm out the same mouth. Blessing, cursing, catch my legal way, the only way. What you do?
Hey, where you get that? Where you get that? Where you get that? Where you get that? Hey, where you get that? Where you get that? Where you get that? Where you get that? Hey, fresh in the bitch like damn, what you get? What I spend on the sauce, what I spend on the pack. Ass so fat when she walk, it clap. Want me on your songs, can cost you a rate. Living on red, I ain't got time to write. Bitch stepped in the store like damn, my size it. Dick so good, she would think had cracking. Already got cheese, had the show, I got mac. You don't work, you don't eat. Where the fuck is your grind? Sit around on my nuts, where the fuck is your time, nigga? I don't know where the fuck is my 9, nigga. This here custom like damn, where you find it? Subscribe to the beat like damn, where I signed it. A hoe online, she like damn, where the vine at? Had a little hoe like damn, where her mom at? Come to the show, they gon' think I'm a bomb. Man, no niggas nicks like damn, where my son yet? I mean, no niggas nicks like damn, where my son yet? I been at the top, you cannot do a contest. Sauce in the bitch, take your hoe off Pinterest. Case in the back and Glocks at the entry. Already had a friend, now I'm finna get a twin nick. Smooth little nigga, but we catching up big chicks. Count the money drop when the spread, make the whole wet. Smooth little nigga, but we catching up big chicks. Count the money drop when the spread, make the whole wet. Where you get that? 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 Get that? Where you get that?